Class 10th, this is your first chapter in your supplementary book. The name of the chapter is Triumph of Surgery. The meaning of triumph is victory, means when we just overcome for a problem, for a issue or something else, means the victory. And the meaning of surgery here, a clinical room, means where doctor they took that they just took the patient there or give the treatment them. Here story about Tricky, a pet dog. Pet dog means a very rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. She was the owner of that, mistress of that dog. She loved him very much, and that is why she was overfeeding him, and the result was that he had become a huge fat dog. Here in the grey it is written Tricky, a small dog, pampered and overfed. Pampered means overloved, and overfed means overeating by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill, and his mistress consult a veterinary surgeon. Veterinary means the doctor they give treatment for the animals are called veterinary or vet. Does he perform an operation? Means what does he do? Operation. And how, or does the dog recover? Means how he could recover. The questions they are arising here, you listen carefully and grasp in your mind. Why Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? Why she was worried about? What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? Who does I refer to in the story? Here story is starting with I. I means the first person pronoun, and I is used for veterinary doctor, and the name of that doctor is Mr. Harriot. I was really worried about Tricky this time. He is saying here in the story as it has been written in the first person. So means he is telling us his own experience in the form of first person pronoun I. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. Now I am explaining these lines. You listen carefully. What changes I am bringing? Means you are just learning in literature grammar also. That is why you should listen with full concentration what the teacher is saying, what the teacher is changing when she is explaining you the lines of the chapter. I means he was really worried. Who was really worried about? Mr. Harriot, the veterinary doctor. He was really worried about Tricky that time. He had pulled up his car. Who had pulled up his car? Mr. Harriot, veterinary doctor. When he saw him in the street, to whom he saw? Tricky, with his mistress, means Mrs. Pumphrey. And he was shocked at his appearance, means Tricky's appearance means look. Why he was surprised? Why he was shocked? Because he had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. He has become a bloated sausage with a leg, means a sausage means a piece of flesh with a leg at each corner. His eyes means Tricky's eyes, bloodshot and rheumy. Rheumy means watery, means they are red and they are full of water. Stared means he was looking straight ahead because he was unable to move his neck here and there, and a tongue lolled from his jaws, and because of fat because of lack of energy, his tongue, it was lolled from his jaws. Mrs. Pumphrey hasn't to explain. She was in agitation to explain. Who is Mrs. Pumphrey? The mistress of Tricky. Hasn't to explain. What she is saying? He was so listless. Listless means has no energy. Mr. Harriot, she is addressing here Mr. Harriot, and I have told you who is Mr. Harriot? Veterinary doctor. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. And now she is not understanding what was the real problem of Tricky. Again, she is saying that she thought that he must be, means Tricky must be suffering from malnutrition, means lack of nutrition. So she had been giving him some little extras, means after this, after a huge fat of that dog, she was also giving him some little extras between meals. Between meals, she was giving some little extras. You listen carefully, means meals she was giving all 4 times. And between meals, she was giving him some extras to build him up. Some malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks. Bowl of Horlicks she was giving at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. And for her, means for mistress, as she loved her dog very much, it was nothing extra. It was nothing much really. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Then doctor, he asked. What did he ask? And did you cut down? Means if she cut down the sweet things as he told. Oh, I did for a bit. Then Mrs. Pumphrey, she just answered that she did for a bit, means very small quantity. But he seemed to be so big, so he had to relent, means he had to lose his hand. She had to lose her hand. He does love cream, because Tricky, he loves cream, cakes and chocolates, so that is why she was giving him sweets also. She couldn't bear to refuse him, because Mrs. Pumphrey, she was unable to refuse dog what he wanted to eat. She looked down. I looked down. I means Mr. Harriot. He looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. That was the problem only. Tricky's only fault was greed, because Tricky, he was very fond of eating. It was his fault that he was greedy. He had never been known to refuse food. He had never been known, means he never learnt how to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, any time. He could tackle a meal. And he wondered about all things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. And writer, Mr. Harriot, veterinary doctor, he knew it, that many things Mrs. Pumphrey, she hadn't mentioned what she was giving. Well, are you giving him plenty of exercise? Then he added, if she was giving him much and much extra food, but if she was giving him plenty of exercise, well, he has been little box with me. As you can see, Mrs. Pumphrey, she explained that he has his little box with her, as he could see. But Hogton, the gardener, name of that gardener, Hogton. Hogton means, don't be confused here, the name of gardener, has been down with lumbago. Lumbago means the name of some place. So there have been no ring throwing lately. And that is why gardener, he was not there. That is why ring throwing or the exercise, you can say, it was not possible. Right?